a lot of folks that come to us and really don't know how to either what a cost segregation or some of these different line services are, or they've maybe been doing it and they would love to have a deep dive to understand it's not just about engaging that company to come when everything's done. They want to understand the process, and there's a lot of money that can be saved if you understand the process of this stuff if you're in the real estate world. In fact, we push wealthy doctors and lawyers to maybe get into real estate to be offsetting some of their significant earnings, right? So we love real estate. We think it's a wonderful tax tool. And I'm going to bring you through the slides here, and then we'll kind of continue the discussion. We think there's also three kind of core things that make real estate extremely lucrative. The first two, don't talk to us. You know, I don't know where the best discount price is going to be or necessarily what's going to be happening with markets the same way that the professionals should be doing it. We fall on number three. But we think that a huge advantage of real estate compared to the other investment options for a lot of our clients is that it's going to give them significant tax breaks. And so that's something that we are all for. A background on how we are taxed. The first thing we have here is going to be revenue. Then as we're running businesses, we've got our expenses. This is why the G-Wagons and everything get purchased at the end of the year. Is they're trying to build that up as high as possible because you're taxed on the difference, which is the net income between what your company makes and what you spent as your expenses. That is then pushed into your tax rate. So oftentimes when we go through and have these discussions, if you're curious, most professionals will keep saying 37%. When you're running numbers with them, that's because there's a bit of an assumption that that is the realized value of the deductions. Okay, so Bay is a specialized tax services firm. We don't do audit, we don't do preparation. Basically, our job is to come in and own one line item. We do R&D tax credits, and we do ERCs, and then the third one is going to be fixed asset management, which is going to be everything kind of included on your balance sheet in the mostly real estate world. These are some of the core items that can be handled by a firm like ours.